Hello friends, this is your second lecture of numerical analysis. Topic is simultaneous linear equation. And welcome to the online lecture series. I am Gautam Ambutia. As we have seen Gauss elimination method in first lecture, so our first example is to solve simultaneous linear equation using Gauss elimination method. So our first step is to write coefficients matrix. The coefficient matrix of linear equation. Our solution is what we have to find x, y, z, value of x, y, z using Gauss elimination method. The solution is write that simultaneous linear equation. Second is x plus y minus 6z is equal to minus 12. 3x minus y minus z is equal to 4. That is our simultaneous linear equation. Convert this simultaneous linear equation into coefficients matrix. So step 1 is convert these linear equations into coefficients matrix. Call it matrix A is equal to, what is coefficients of x is 1, coefficients is 4, y is 4, coefficients of z is minus 1, and so directly I can write A over B. Matrix A, then matrix B. What is matrix B? Is minus 5, minus 12 and 4. That is column matrix. Minus 5, minus 12 and 4. Now, in second equation, what is coefficients of x is 1, coefficients of y is 1, coefficients of z is minus 6. In third equation, what is coefficients of x is 3, coefficients of y is minus 1, coefficients of z is minus 1. Convert that matrix into quadrangular. That means that term and that element make a 0. Here 3 0 is compulsory. So our first operation is only valid row operation, because if you apply column operation, then that column may not be changed. So you have to apply only row operation. So R12, how does that element make a 0? If we multiply that term into minus 1 and add that term, so minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So in first row, multiply by minus 1 and add into second row. Similarly, our second operation is multiply that term into minus 3. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Add in third row, so plus 3, minus 3, plus 3 is equal to 0. That term is 0. So R13 is equal to minus 3. Here similar matrix is first row as it is. So 1, 4, minus 1, minus 1. That term is 0. That is change. What is change? First row multiply by minus 1. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Plus 1 is equal to minus 3. And the minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Multiply first row by minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 1 is 1, minus 6 is minus 5. So here is minus 5. That is also changed similarly. Minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. Minus 12 is minus 7. So here is minus 7. Similarly, first term multiplied by minus 3, so that term is 0. First term multiplied minus 3. So 4 into minus 3 is minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to minus 13. So here minus 13. Multiply first row by minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 1 is 3 and 8 minus 1. So it is 2. In first row, multiply by minus 3. So minus 5 into minus 3 is 15. Minus 3 into minus 5 is 15 and add 4 is 19. So that is our operation. Now minus 30, to make minus 30 will be 0. Now using second row, minus 30 varies to 0, converted to 0. So our next operation is using second row, means R to 3. What is here? Minus 3. So divide by minus 3. What you get? Minus 3 divided by minus 3, that is 1. So minus 30 make a 0. So what you add? 30. So 13 divided by minus 3. If you multiply minus 3, multiply by 13 divided by minus 3 and add minus 13, add minus 13, you get plus 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. That term is 0. That is right elementary operation. So next we get similar matrix. First row as it is, 1 4 minus 1. Minus 5, second row is also as it is, 0 minus 5 minus 5 and minus 7. And 0 is also 0 because 0 multiplied by anything is 0 and add 0. So you get 0. That term is 0. Minus 5 multiplied by 13 divided by minus 3 and add 2. You get minus minus plus. What is LCM? LCM is 3. 5 multiplied by 13 plus 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 3. What is answer? You get 71 by 3. So here 71 by 3. Next is in second row, multiply by 13 by minus 3. So minus 7 multiply by minus 7 multiply by 13 by minus 3 and add 19. You get LCM is minus minus plus, LCM is 3. So 13 into 7 is 91 plus 19 into 3 is 57 divided by 3. Is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 5 is 14 divided by 3. So 1 4 8 divided by 3. Now that is